JotForm Enterprise App. The pros, the cons. JotForm Enterprise App is a robust platform for building forms, surveys and automated workflows at scale. Most people get this wrong if they think it's just a basic form builder. The enterprise version adds advanced features, integrations and security for large teams. On the pros side, JotForm Enterprise allows for highly customizable forms with conditional logic, payment collection and automated responses. It integrates with CRMs, email marketing tools, cloud storage and other business apps, making it a central hub for data collection and workflow automation. Enterprise plans include centralized user management, custom branding, audit logs and so, ensuring both security and compliance. Automated workflows can trigger notifications, update databases and route submissions efficiently, saving time for teams handling high volumes of forms. On the con side, some users note that advanced features can require training to fully leverage. Pricing scales with users and submission volume, which can become significant for very large organizations. Complex automation setups may also need support from it or a dedicated admin. In conclusion, JotForm Enterprise App is ideal for organizations that need reliable, scalable and secure form management. Its combination of flexibility, integrations and enterprise-level controls makes it a valuable tool for streamlining data collection, automating workflows and improving efficiency across departments.